to install the Nokia Lumia's Illumishield screen protector, but as I explained in the other videos, I didn't want to mix MAW files and MP4 files into one video because I don't know what kind of complications or audio distortion, bitrate or whatnot would occur if I did that. Maybe it wouldn't occur, maybe it wouldn't, but just in case it would, actually there is some sort of issue with that, so I figured let's just take this off. I think this has been on this thing for like, I don't know, a long time. Can't remember exactly how long. Let's just say a long time. Not gonna bother thinking about how long. It's quite a bit of icky, so I'm definitely gonna need to give this guy a good wipe down. Okay, so here's its matte screen protectors. This one was the original clear one. You can see. Well, actually, it wasn't looking too bad, but still. I have to say the matte looks pretty clear. Wow. But before I install that, it's ever so important that I take a picture here. Okay, these two down, a picture there, and now I can wipe it down. Should probably keep the other ones mats out so I could just use it, or I could just put this back into its little plastic. Oh my goodness, look at these stains. Do you see these stains? Wow. That is not good. Ugh, so sticky. You know, I don't think this is actually going to come off so easy. I might have to actually probably pause the video just to get some of these sticky stains off of this thing, because it is pretty bad. I really had to change this thing. I don't know why I even waited so long. Well, actually, no, I know I waited so long because I figured, it did look that scratched and scuffed. But in reality, even if it doesn't look all that scratched and scuffed, you should probably change it at least. Well, no, I can't give you a number because it'll depend on how active your lifestyle is. Like, obviously, if you're dropping your phone or it's going to be exposed to a lot of scratches, coins, whatever, then you're going to have to change your screen protector a little bit more often. I'm still seeing some outlines, so I'm just pressing, rubbing. I don't know, maybe this is interesting, maybe this is boring. Perhaps I should get closer so you can hear some of the sound effects, because I don't know, maybe that might be a little more interesting. Well, I can also really say that I love the iPhone's camera. If I was such a direct recorder more often, if it weren't for just that issue with the audio, I would, but because of the issue, that's why I don't. Seriously, it is gorgeous though. It's by far the best camera I have in my current collection. Okay, does it look good? Let's see. Yeah, I think it looks quite good. Just gonna lay it flat. Go like this, just to make sure all the ickies and the stickies are gone. So you might say, seriously man, this is just overkill. Some of you are actually secretly highly intrigued by this. Don't lie, you find it very entertaining. Some of you might find it annoying. Is this the... No, this is my old one. What am I doing? Okay, throw that off to the side. Hello, I'll just see that right on the floor. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this right. So, let's just line it up for some practice. I'm gonna do it right this time, unlike the last time where it was such an awkward mess. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Get a picture there, and let's pull it off. Well, actually, I don't think it even really mattered that much, because I'm still gonna have to apply it anyway. Okay, let's just hope the match. Actually, I'm seeing a difference with the matte, actually. The other clear one looked something more like this. I don't know if you can see it. Actually, you can. Look at that. So, this, the regular, and this is the matte. This is supposed to be anti... let me read it. Yeah, anti-glare, anti-bubble scratches, and oil resistant. For the other ones, I don't think they're anti-glare, so let's just hope that it'll still... Actually, no, let me give it a quick test. Let me fire up the screen and see what it looks like underneath. It doesn't look too bad, but actually I'll have to remove this and then I can make an amendment from there. But for now I need to turn it off, otherwise I won't be able to see anything else. So alright, let's just peel this off quick now. And it comes, whoa, most of it wasn't even in the frame. You missed most of the action. Okay, I need to make sure I'm in frame here. So this is what it's supposed to look like, but this is not the sticky side, so yeah, I have to turn this around. I have to line it up and be very careful, like the last time, where it was just so awkward. Actually, I think the mat looks a little bit too opaque. Ah, what am I doing? Does that look good? Could be a little bit more. No. It looks... I don't know what to say about it, actually. I really don't. Let me see if I can give it another go. Maybe I should just leave it alone. No, no, I don't want to leave it alone. I think I could do a better job than that. I can get it off. Okay, so attempt 2. No, that's horrible. Never mind. Maybe I should have just left it alone at the first attempt. Actually, no, I expect better from myself, though. There we go. See, that's better. Or is it slightly worse? I don't know. Let's just take that card now and get rid of those nasty air bubbles. I'm not going to try and get rid of all of them on camera, just some of them. So when I scratched it up there, it left this ugly wrinkle. Whatever, not that much of a big deal, but seriously, I shouldn't have done that. I should have just left it alone at the first attempt. Is this mat really supposed to be anti-glare? Like, hold on, let me fire up a flashlight on one of my other devices. Let me just sign in first. Come on, Pastor, wake up. Trying to fiddle with this guy. As you can see, he's not cooperating. So, just activate this flashlight. Yeah, the light will still show up. I guess they were probably talking like sun glare. So we'll have to see how that works outdoors. And yeah, I think that does it for this video. So you can actually, hold on a second, let me bring the pasture back so you can see the difference between the clear one and the matte. So, really, Lumia, really? Come on. So this is matte, and this is clear. You can see the big difference here, because you can see the reflection in the background on this one, but then for this one, you're not really seeing that. So they're right, actually. Yeah, there really is no glare. But here, glare indeed. Here, no glare, and that's the difference. Okay, so that has been it for this Illumishield installation video, and now I am out. I'll drop links to these products in the description below, and done.
Happy 2019 New Year! Did you like this video? Do you have any Illumishield anti-glare matte screen protector? Oh my gosh, that was quite a mouthful to say. Anyways, comment, rate, like, subscribe, share, read my blog for information, shop for my affiliate links in the video description, and visit my Twitter page for my latest tweets. And do not forget to also participate in the polls located in the top right corner inside the eye circle. LOM for lame outro music. Wow, this song is laughably bad. I'm so running away from my own video, and you should do the same.